Welcome guys once again to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can compress your video perfectly without losing any quality. Okay, so in the previous video I make a content on this. I was showing you 3 software free for content creations. Now for content creators to use. So this video I was able to explain so many things, and I recommend you to watch this video. It's going to help you if you are just getting started in content creation, or you are just or you are trying to start content creation. It's going to help you a whole lot. So then in this video now I will concentrate more on using the software or the tools I call Handbrake. This is Handbrake here. I'm going to drop the link to this website, the official website, in the description below, so you can, the first link there will take you to this website. So what you do here, this is the official website of what Handbrake. You go and download the software. Okay, now let me talk briefly about Handbrake. Handbrake is what's an open source video transcoder. We say video transcoder meaning it does the work beyond just compressing your video. It does work such as converting your video format from one format to another. Like maybe your video format is in MOV, you can convert it to MP4 or any other format. So another thing this does is that it is free, it's an open source, and it's owned by volunteers, people who volunteered, software engineers that came together and volunteered, like, oh, let us do this thing free of charge so people could see something to use. I think it's a very nice job for people to do this and for free, and everybody, millions of people are using it, and it's giving them solution to their problem. So I will say that, let's jump straight to the video. So the next thing I want to do here is go straight and download Handbrake here. Whether you're using Windows or Mac or Linux, it supports the 3 platform. Download it here, then you install. I don't have to download because I've already downloaded and I have my own installed on my system. So this is my own here. This is my own Handbrake. So once you come to this Handbrake, what do you want to do here is to go and pick the video you want to compress. So I'm going to show you the video file size that we'll be using before and after. So let me show you the video file size now. This is the video we'll be using for this tutorial. We'll be using this one here. You could see 1.01 gig. Let's say approximately 1 gig. So we want to compress this video that is 1 gig. Let's check the property. We want to convert this video that is 1 gig. This is the 1 gig approximately. We want to compress the video to a smaller file size. Okay, so let's see how we're going to do that, achieve this result by using Handbrake. So if this video is the very first time you see my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button if this video got you interested, and like this video also, so that YouTube could show this video to more people who get to watch. Please do that, and I encourage you to do more videos like this. So I haven't done that. You've seen the file size already, that is 1 gig approximately. Now let us go and compress. So when you come to Handbrake, you have it here. There are 2 ways of bringing your video in. You either bring your video by clicking on this file, open video files. So you can see now, you click on that, and it takes you to where all your files are. So my documents, my content, and I don't think I have this. Okay, these are the videos here. So I gave it a name YT. This is the exact video I want. So I can decide to just click on it, then I will click on open. Okay, so once you do this way, you have the video here. Now another way of importing your video in, if you don't want to do that way, I'll stop this and cancel this and start again. So another way of doing that is to drop the video. Like I've opened it now, I will just come here to video. I will just drop the video file. So this is a video file. I will left click, then drag your mouse and drop it inside the Handbrake tool. So Any of these two will give you the same result importing your video. So once you are here, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you choose a perfect high resolution, resolution. So I will recommend this very fast 1080 pixels 30 frame, or this 720 pixels 30 frame. Please, I think as a YouTuber, don't go below 720. We could stick to 1080. It gives you one of the best. I love 1080 pixels per frame. Okay, pixels 30 frame. So either I use the 720 pixels 30 frame, or I use the 1080 pixels 30 frame. So whichever that you want to go for, I'm going to go with this 720 pixels 30 frame. Then the next thing you want to do here is to check if the video format is in the right format you want the video to be converted to. So you check it now. This is MKV, sorry, and this is web M. So these are the three that are being supported for now. So you will pick the MP4. Now the MP4 format is a generally accepted video format all over the world. So if your video is not playing, then the first thing you need to check is to check the player, if the video player supports the format of the video. But one of the generally accepted in the world is the MP4. So next you want to do after you've done this, when you come to this browser here, you want to allocate a folder, or a folder where this compressed video will be located to. So you click on the browse, then so the reason I want to allocate is because I don't get to start looking for the video after the video is compressed. So go to document, go to my content, then go to edited video. This is where I want the video to, after the compression has taken place. I want the video to be here. So I'm going to give this a new name. I'm going to say new compressed video, new compressed video. So I want us to take note of the name, new compressed video. Okay, so you click on save now, then this is set. To the next thing you want to do here, this one here is telling you the name of the video, the raw video itself. So, and just leave every other setting the way it is. Don't tamper with them, because if you do tamper, you definitely mess things up and you could not be able to find your way back to how it was before. So go to this place, start encoder. Start encode rather. Click on start encode and the work will start immediately. So this is how. So start encode. So you could see now the start encode has resumed. So you have started, you have pause. We have to leave it for the compression to continue. Now if you check here, you're going to see a progress bar telling you the progress of the video that is being compressed. So I'll pause this video for the compression to finish, then I'll come back once, just to make the video not to be too long. So because it's going to take a little time. Now note this, you can compare when you're compressing a lesser video file size to a larger video file size. So it takes time. So hold for some time and the work will be done, then you get your video compressed.
So we've already compressed, the compressing is completed. So let us come and see. Once you finish compressing, you will see Q finished. That Q finished telling you is completed. Let's see the file size now. Then we see the previous one, the before and the after. So if you look at this place, trying to locate the file. So this is the reason why you need to give it a name, so you could know where exactly it is. So that's the file here. We name it new compression. So this is a file here, and ready. Let's see. You could see now this file size is now 180 megabytes, from 1 gig to 180 megabyte. Let's check the property and see. So the property is giving us 180 megabyte. Guys, you could see how this thing is very wonderful. Like, with the help of Handbrake, you can solve this problem of having issue with large video file size and the rest. That's one of the beautiful thing, and your video quality still remain the same. You don't get to change it, you don't get to reduce it, it remain the same. So guys, if you find this very interesting, if this is the video that you've been looking for and this has solved the problem for you, don't forget to hit that button, that red button, subscribe, support me what I do, and like the video so that YouTube could recommend this video to more people. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.